at the Pacific Ocean. I'm gonna go check this out. I've never been to the Pacific Ocean. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna go walk down there. I don't know how legit. I guess other people here. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna walk down there. Touch it. That's the Pacific Ocean. Ah! Oh, should I take my shoes off? Yeah, might do that. It's fucking really. Hope my pants don't fall down into the water. Well, hopefully that was good content for you. The sand is hot. Oh, I had to put my shoes back on. Feet are all sandy now. Not a big deal. There's so much sand in my car already. Just like look at the. Yeah, I might just eat lunch here. Just look at the ocean. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. But first, we are gonna start the car. Yeah. All right. Are you allowed to? I don't think you're allowed to park on this beach overnight. I don't see a sign that says you can't. There's been signs all over the place, other places saying you can't, so I'm assuming you can't here either.